How to turn on or off parental controls on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button and menu go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental control. Now you can turn on the parental controls to prevent children from being able to view certain content. And to turn on the parental control, you'll have to do is go to this and the pop-up are show. Now you can create first the pin. So for my example, I set the pin into 1111 and you can confirm your pin by enter again the 1111. And now you can enable or turn on the parental control. So you can see the locks, and on the right side of locks you can see the switch button. So you can turn on this to enable the parental control. If this enable, so you can turn the lock system on or off. If this enable, you can block the time, channel block, program block, or input block. So if this enable. So if you want to turn off or disable again the parental control, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of these locks. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off parental controls on the Devant Smart TV.